All right, we're back with another problem about a cylinder. So we have a cylindrical packing tube. All right, so let's just start with a sketch. Okay, so a cylinder means that the top and bottom faces are circles. All right, so you want the length of the tube to be 30 inches. All right, so the distance between the top and bottom face is 30 inches, and the volume to be 589 cubic inches. Okay, so the volume is 589 inches cubed. Okay, what should the radius of the base be? All right, so the distance from the center of that circle to the edge is what we're trying to find. Okay, all right, so remember in general, the volume of either a prism or a cylinder is going to be its base area multiplied by its height. Okay, so the base area in this case is a circle, and the height is 30 inches. Now, because it's a circle, we can go ahead and apply the formula for the area of a circle. And so this becomes that the volume is pi r squared, right? It's the area of a circle, times the vertical height of our cylinder. Okay. Now, what are we trying to find in this problem? We're trying to find the length of the radius. So we're trying to solve for r. But what do we know? Well, we know the volume is 589, so we can do a substitution there. We know the height is 30 inches, so we can do a substitution there. Okay. So 589 equals pi r squared times 30. So pi might look like a variable, but pi is a constant, right? It's 3.1415, yada, yada, yada. Okay. So the only variable in this equation now is r, and so we can solve for it, right? Just by using inverse operations. So the first thing that I see that we need to do is we can divide both sides by pi. Right. It's going to cancel it on the right-hand side. And we might as well just divide both sides by 30 as well. That's going to force it to cancel on the right-hand side as well. So now we have this expression, 589 divided by 30 pi equals r squared. Now, we don't want the square of the radius, we just want the radius. So the inverse operation of squaring is rooting. So we're going to take a square root on both sides. And at this point, we can go ahead and use our calculator to approximate that radius. Square root 589 divided by 30 pi. So I'm getting about 2.4998, so we'll just round that to 2.50. Okay, radius is just a linear measurement, and so the linear units here are inches, so 2.5 inches. It's going to be our radius. All right.